Hey everyone, welcome back to CAVLIO. Are you still using the same old basic English phrases in every conversation? Well, it's time to level up. In this video, I'm going to show you how to stop saying those boring, overused expressions and what to say instead using advanced, fluent English that sounds way more natural and impressive. Ready to speak like a native? Let's upgrade your English right now. Number 1. Instead of saying, I am going home, you can say, I'm heading home. Number 2. Do you want to eat? Hungry. Number 3. I do not know. I dunno. Number 4. Give me a moment. Hold on. Number 5. What are you doing? Whatcha doing? Number 6. That's not fair. That's unfair. Number 7. I am very busy. I'm swamped. Number 8. Wait for me, please. Hold up. Number 9. Don't rush. Take your time. Number 10. I'm very excited. I'm hyped. Number 11. I am nervous. I'm freaking out. Number 12. That's disgusting. That's gross. Number 13. I'm disappointed. Bummer. Number 14. This is very easy. Easy peasy. Number 15. I forgot the time. I lost track of time. Make sure to watch part 2. Thanks for learning.